Hi, this is Jason from Rockland Technologies, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ALFA TSM1 and TSM-B1 stainless steel marine mount system for the ALFA WiFi Camp Pro series. Now, out of box, the ALFA WiFi Camp Pro comes with wire ties to mount. You simply put them through the loops on the side, and they're heavy duty. You can put them around your ladder pole or someplace else on the RV. But for those of you in a marine situation, or if you're looking for a more heavy duty mounting system, we have this ratchet mount here that you can raise and lower. It's adjustable. So this video is going to show us how to hook everything up. Now, we've got several different parts here. These parts comprise the TSM1. We're going to take this part here. We've got threading on the bottom and we've got holes on the top. We're going to take the USB cable and we're going to put it through like this. And then we're going to put it through the bottom of this piece here. Next, we want to take off the bottom cap of the ALFA tube. We actually will not be using this bottom cap anymore as long as we're using with this, but put it in a safe place, because if you want to go back to using wire ties or something like that, you'll need that again in the future. We are going to use this spacer, so keep that out. And once we thread the USB cable through, we're going to put the spacer on just like we do when we put together the Camp Pro normally. And we're going to take this, put the cable in to the bottom of the ALFA tube. And we're going to pull this up here, and it simply screws on just like the old style cap does here. And then this part here will just come together just like that. And inside your bag here, you have 3 little screw pieces that go into the holes right in here, so that will affix this piece to that piece here. Now, for purposes of brevity, I'm not going to put each of these screws in, but what we're going to do next is we're going to take our base here and we're going to screw that on to the bottom here. Now, obviously, if you've already screwed the base into your RV or to your boat, then you'll twist this a different way, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to go ahead and turn that and get that nice and tight into the bottom of the setup here. Now that we've gotten that tight, you can see we simply turn down. We want to raise that up, and when this is on the top of your boat or RV, we want to have it pointing straight upward. This is the orientation that you want when it's on the boat or the RV, so it can receive Wi-Fi signals around you. And when you're ready to travel, you can simply turn it down. You can go up on top of the RV and you can turn the ratchet handle down and move this equipment down so that it's flat, won't hit any tree branches or anything like that. You can check our YouTube description for this video for links where to purchase this products, and definitely check us out on youtube.com.